A lot of backroads people here. Backroad people, they don't drive no Cadillac, pickup truck. Gonna take them there and back. Roads people, they don't drive those Cadillacs. Backroad people, they never have a voice, hands and faces. Gonna speak to tell their choice. Backroads people, they ain't got no voice.
Cubic feet per second, CFS cranking down this river. You know what that means? Big waves and hard hits. Big and brown out here today. We are right at cutoff, big as it gets. I gotta head on down our first major hit, Rudy's Ripple. I will see you all there. We have made our way to the first major rapid, Rudy's Ripple. There you see it, that big old ripple. I don't know if I'd exactly call that a ripple, more like a breaking wave. Right there at the center of your screen. Come on down and take the hit. It's going to be a good day, and we're just getting started. We're going to head on downstream. I will see you all soon. We have made our way to Upper Railroad, first major rapid of the new River Gorge. There's the railroad bridge, namesake the rapid. Up top, it's all about business. Over here on the right side, we got Maytag, normally a little pour-over ledge. Now a massive fold and breaking, crashing wave. If you're feeling real rowdy, you can gut it down the center or bite off a little chunk on the left. Paddle your way on down through the tail waves and under the railroad bridge. We're going to post up here and wait for all the action.
And our identities. One thing I know for a fact, mustache stays right where it's at. Oreo, Speedwagon, Kansas to Boston. My ankle bracelets already gone and lost it. Them yellow jackets keep the tired man from slacking. Stole my Camaro from a grave. Took my suitcase, all my bag. Ain't got no taillights, grill full of fog. How could you do this to a man so close to Big John? We should get
All right, Upper Railroad in the bag. We're going to head on down into the heart of the gorge. See you at the Keeney Brothers. I am here at the Keeney Brothers. Three-part rapid. Starts off top there on the pool above it with a massive, massive hole, whale hole, probably the biggest one in the river. You want to avoid that beast to the right, work your way on down for you. Enter middle Keeney's. Huge field of exploding waves every which way you go. The first big class 5 of the day is truly a beautiful piece of white water, a work of art. Down here we have lower Keeney's, and pretty much flush tag over there on the left. We got the big old meat grinder on the right, which actually had a play today, which is a good thing. Like I said, it's all fun in the sun down here in the Keeney's. here on the river. Gonna head on down, make sure everything's all right. Then head on upstream, search for more whitewater. We're here at Fayette Station, sporting some monster waves this here level. We got the $1 million waves over here on the left, also known as big, bigger, and biggest right over there. 3 big ones in a row. Got a nice long wave train to ride on out and under the big old rusty rainbow in the sky, the New River Bridge.
Oh, but to just dance on steel. Scott Pulaski way. All the fires of Elizabeth never cease to amaze. So hats off to industry's casualties. Charlie, Charlie. Oh, that swamp full of grabbing hands. Oh, you want no New Amsterdam. Chinese boxes hold their secrets well. How many are there? You can never tell. Got to get religion. They're gonna join that underground church. Even the low people, they got to get religion. They gotta join that underground church. Andy Warhol, CBGBs, Andy Warhol, CBGBs. Rock class for the bourgeoisie. Lab rats for the cat. Real estate moguls. Shop towers. When the wind blows, you can hear the windows go. Rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Jimmy Hopper in the Meadowlands. Way down that Union Man. So grab his ankles. Stevedores.
There you go, West Virginia, all natural roller coaster right there. We gotta head down, we got one more big one left. I will see you all there shortly. Old nasty, that's a hole right there, let me tell you what.
Ribonucleic acid freak out. The power of prayer. Long halls of science and all the lunatics come
Well,
in.
that's gonna wrap it over the lower New River. All rapids successfully completed. No flips, never inside the boat, at least that I saw. And on downstream, that takeout right there. We'll see y'all on the bus. All right, we're the takeout, which means we're at the end of our whitewater adventure. Woo! I hope you all had a good time out here today. Hope you had as much fun as I did. I had a blast. This is truly an awesome, awesome water level. Great time here to be out here on the river. If you had a good time out here today, probably just do that guide in the back of your boat. Make sure you show your appreciation any way you know how. Hey, if you had fun, you're trying to do a little bit more adventure, well, it's about as good as it gets to the New River. I'd say come back to different water levels, try some different things. You always got the gully in the fall. Lower gully, step up from what you did today. Same idea. Upper gully, whole flight of stairs about what you did today. 5 class 5s, 14 foot waterfall. Yeah, the point's intense. Also a good time. I'm off myself, Charlie, videographer. All your guides are on an adventure on the Gorge. Thank you for coming after us, making our job possible.